In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Jobber password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, and you'll pick up a few quick tips for keeping your account secure. This walkthrough is designed for the web version of Jobber, and the layout may look slightly different depending on updates, but the process remains the same. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Jobber's website. Make sure you're on the official Jobber domain and that the connection is secure. To change your password, you'll need to be signed into your account, so if you aren't already, go ahead and log in. It's always a good idea to do this on a trusted device and network to protect your information. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile. It's usually represented by your initials or a small avatar. Click it to open your account menu. This is where Jobber groups account-related options so you can quickly access your personal settings without digging through other pages. If you're on a smaller screen or the menu is condensed, you might first need to click a menu icon, then look for your profile option from there. From your profile menu, locate the option labeled Change Password and click it. This opens the dedicated area for updating your credentials. Here, you'll typically see fields for your current password and your new password. Enter your current password to confirm it's really you. Then, choose a new password that's strong and unique. Aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other accounts and steer clear of easily guessed details like birthdays or pet names. A password manager can help you generate and store something both secure and memorable to you. Before saving, double-check for typos. Many forms include a show or hide option so you can verify what you typed. If there's a password strength indicator, try to reach a strong rating. Some accounts may prompt you to re-enter the new password to confirm it matches. If so, make sure both entries are identical. When everything looks good, confirm the change to update your password. You should see a success message or visual confirmation letting you know the update went through. If anything doesn't work, ensure your current password is correct. Check for any minimum requirements listed under the password fields and try again. That's it. Your Jobber password is now updated. Keep it safe and consider reviewing it periodically to maintain strong account security.